This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening time, drive time update, guys, and welcome to the show. We got lots to talk about. We got to talk about, Bitcoin price. They've been lying to us about that. We're going to talk about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and it looks like the market's a little bit down. But I'm going to show you some proof and some evidence that things could be looking up soon. I think that we could be seeing a bit of a pump up weekend, and we got the CME futures that are coming up as well this Friday, so we could see some volatility and we could see some, price manipulation by the whales in the house. And the whales are going to play their whalish games, guys, and that's what they're always going to do. And they're going to try to psych you out and make you drop your coins and run for the hills and scream as you drop the coins. And don't give in to them. And remember, diamond hands, dollar cost average. And remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and entertainment purposes in the house. So let's get it, guys. Let's jump right in. Let's dive in. And before you do that, don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, guys. Subscribe, YB in the house. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell me how much you love the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house, guys. Right here, right now, bring you love over the interwebs. I just want to say God bless you, Merry Christmas, and let's jump into the content. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate the time that you're spending. So this is Steve, one of the top TA guys out there, and he's just kind of giving us a top sliding scale model, and he's saying that his conservative early projections for the 7th of June 2022, and that would be at wave 5 on the 2618 Fibonacci, would be about $190,000 in the house, guys. So if that happens, that's only like just over 7 months from now, we could be seeing like 190K. So he's really, he's really promoting that this whole bull cycle is going to continue on, and we're not going to have this whole bear blow off top with this whole downwardy down correction that people often expect. And that's what's been happening in previous years. But there's a lot of analysts and a lot of people are saying that this could be a different year compared to other years, and we could be seeing things continue to go. Could this be a super cycle? Could this be the extension of the 4-year becoming the 5-year cycle? Let's see, guys. He's also saying the extreme late projection, bottom to top projection at the same rate, and that could hit 19th December 2022. That's almost a year from now. And if that hits the Fib 3618 extension on the wave 5, we could see ourselves going up to almost $251,000 in the house, guys. So that would be excellent, guys, if that happens. So let's take a look, guys, and hopefully that will happen. I'd love it. You love it. So if you're watching this video, don't forget to give a super chat, support the channel in the house, guys. And we're seeing right now the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter in the last hour, guys, are BTC, Ethereum, Solana, Shiba, Inu, and ADA, Doge, Algorand, Matic, DOT, and HTR in the house, guys. So you're still seeing there's a lot of interest. A lot of people still talking about the Biddy. Ethereum is number 2. Solana, Solana, it's a great layer 2 solution. This could be the next Ethereum killer, guys. Let's see. So I'm holding, I'm going to be holding my Solana, even if we do hit a bear market and Solana goes down. I'm still going to be holding mine up until 2025. So there's some coins that I will absolutely be holding, and then some that I'll be selling and dollar cost averaging. So I'm going to be drawdowning about 30% of my Bitcoin. I've said that a couple times in other videos. And the way I'm doing that is because typically the December 31st, we typically see that at the end of the bull run, guys. So this could be different, but for insurance purposes, I don't want to miss the opportunity. So I'm gonna sell off 30% of my Bitcoin, and if I'm wrong, that's okay because I still got 70% in there. And if it does go up to like 100, 150,000, I'll still cover the shortfall anyways. And then I'll just hold the rest and sell it and wait for the go down, and I'll use that 30% to buy back in on the dippy whippies. So that's not financial advice, guys. So this is from the Little Moon Lambo in the house, and he's saying that the Bitcoin is in. The bottom is in for Bitcoin, but he's saying that we could see the continuation of this super cycle. So a lot of people, it's a little bit confusing, right? Because typically the bull run, like I said, ends around about December 31st. But a lot of people are kind of like, well, this is kind of different. We got the ETFs, we got institutional investors, we got all of this other stuff that we didn't have before, yada, yada, yada. And people think, maybe this could be extended. Some people are saying it could go to June, like I just showed you here. I mean, this guy is saying, look, we could be going to June. You hit the 2.618 fib in June, and boom, chakalaka, we could see 190,000. So, it's really a bit of a roll of the dice and see what happens right now, because, the macro fundamentals of Bitcoin is pretty positive right now. Things are looking pretty good. Things are looking pretty up. So these are most popular cryptocurrencies in the world by subreddit members, and this is Bitcoin is got 303.67 million. Doge is number 2, guys. People still loving the Doge, guys. This is more more proof positive that the Doge is still the number 1 meme coin on planet Earth and Mars. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. It's going to go there eventually. We kind of stopped off halfway to refuel the rocket ship, and I know a lot of people are kind of like, what's going on with the Doge? When's the Doge going to do the Doge? I know it's a bit of Debbie Downer. We were expecting a lot more. We were expecting, like $1. Back in in May and June, we're like, yeah, this baby's going to hit $1. It's no problem. But we're not even there, guys. We just, we're at below 18 cents, trading range bound on this whole descending channel, this continuation pattern. So we need to break out, and it's depressing. I was expecting a lot more, but it is what it is. I think we're going to have to wait till like Q2 before we see any dollar action for Doge when Ethereum 2.0 comes up. But that's life, guys. I mean, I've got 4 million Doge. I ain't selling any of my Doge. I'm holding on to it, and I can wait till 2025. I'm in no big hurry, guys. We're seeing that Ethereum is the third largest coin on subreddit groups right now, so that is amazing, with 1.18 million in house. BNB is number 4. We got ADA. I dumped all my ADA, that, and I said that I'll be a buyer at $1, but and we're seeing number 6, Shiba Inu. So that's another reason why we're seeing that Shiba Inu is kind of giving up a lot of territory right now. I mean, I'm getting a little bit worried about the Shiba Inu, because right now Shiba Inu is at 31, and it's fallen down below. It's fallen down below the 33 support level. So I got no choice right now, and I know all the Shiba Weebies out there, don't get mad at me. I got to paint that as resistance. So, it's not looking too good right now for the Shiba EB right now. So we kind of, we had this whole descending line here, and it looks like we have another kind of triangle paint being posted right here, another kind of descending. I wouldn't call it descending, it's just a continuation pattern, but this is not a healthy continuation pattern, because look at that, it's just like, if we continue down there, guys, then we have our next support level is around about right here. For Shiba Inu, that's around about 0.92, guys. So that ain't looking too healthy in the house. So we got support around about here, around about this area right there. So we have some next support level is around about 7.3 in the house, guys, and that's not looking too good. So I took off a 0 in case you can't see that number. It's pretty small. So I'm really kind of worried about Shiba Inu right now. We could be going down. So let's hopefully this has a level of support holds. That would be fantastic in the house, and I'm looking forward to doing that. So guys and gals, let's take a look at some other stuff that's coming in right now. The bottom is in. I hope the bottom is in. The Shiba Weebi is not looking too good right now. So Bitcoin price is a lie, says Morgan Creek Capital chief. He's saying that US 250,000 within the next 5 years, absolutely possible. He thinks that the Bitcoin current low price is denominated in US dollars as bunk, and he really believes that the Bitcoin price Bitcoin should be worth a lot more right now, and he's really wondering why absolutely it is not higher. But, he's saying that Bitcoin currently is trading at a value worth around about 26.97 ounces of gold, and that's skyrocketed more than 60-fold in the last 5 years to date. So you can still see that, Bitcoin is outperforming the broader markets, it's outperforming gold. So Bitcoin is a huge hedge against inflation right now. We know that with the 2.5 trillion ceiling being lifted, that the Fed's going to print more money, and that's going to just push up inflation like never before. And and that's going to push people to ape into crypto, ape into Bitcoin. So this is it's good, guys. But he believes that the Bitcoin price is a lie right now. He believes there's some manipulation going on, and the whales are playing the whales games. Hey, this is kind of cool. It looks like there was Bitcoin $1.25 million worth of Bitcoin that was accidentally to send to somebody else. How could you send it to somebody else? Okay, but anyways, so the court has decided that this guy, he doesn't have to return it. Okay, and he can't be criminally penalized, and a lot of that has to do with the questions about the legal status of cryptocurrency, and they're really not considering cryptocurrency as a currency in this lawsuit. They're considering it as data. So they're kind of saying that the Privacy Protection Act, because there's no private data about who the person who sent it, so they were not in breach of anything. So the guy can, you whoop-de-doo, yippee-de-data, he gets to keep $125 million payday in the house. So that's kind of cool beans. I think that's some cool beans out there. Smash the likes, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, YB in the house, and don't forget to come. Hey, Polygon blockchain was hard forked. Without any warning, and it was done like ninja style in the middle of the night, and a lot of people are really upset about that right now. So, this is Nathan. He was saying, are we supposed to just shut up and forget about the fact that over a week ago, Polygon hard forked their blockchain in the middle of the night with no warning to completely closed source Genesis, still haven't verified the code. So it looks like they completely hard forked Polygon. All the node operators are going nuts right now because, typically the community needs to vote on that. And, they didn't. They just kind of did it ninja style in the middle of the night. So a lot of people are up in arms and not happy about that. So, why am I seeing 100x more Solana FUD than the discussion of this? Was this patch a critical bug, or why did it happen? So people are going nuts. And then, typically the owner, the main dev, Michalo, I can't even say it, in the house, we are now investing, and he just kind of said, look, we updated it for security reasons, yada, 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 there was a vulnerability, yada, 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 and, and now it's stable. Okay, let's say, and then this guy, JVCHAF, said, great for Explanado, but you didn't tackle the real problem. You're saying to me that you can fork the chain by yourself and take all my funds as you wish. And he said, no, it's run by validators, full node operators, and we just did our best to communicate, explain importance of upgrade, but ultimately it was up to them to decide whether they will do it or not, right? And he continued to say, absolutely not, we're never going to take your funds. But the whole thing is people are upset because they hard forked Polygon, and they didn't tell anybody. And typically, if you're going to do a hard fork on any crypto, you normally let the community know, you tweet it out, put it on subreddit, and let people know what's going to happen. But they just kind of did this ninja style. So that wasn't very good in the house, and some people were really upset, and some people are kind of fuming about it. Some other news that's coming in is 83% of millennial millionaires own cryptocurrencies, 48% want to buy more. So this is kind of cool. So it seems that there's a preference to use cryptocurrencies as an investment, and store value continues to maintain its generational gap. It seems that baby boomers are the ones that are least likely to invest in crypto, with millennials at the forefront in use of decentralized technologies, especially millionaire investors. So we're seeing that, of those the millennial millionaire investors, they also like to use decentralized exchanges as well for their crypto trades. So they seem to be more of an elite class. So this is kind of cool, guys. And it seems that millennials, they love the Bitcoin, Charles. So the survey gauges their market sentiment in various areas of the economy. The results show that inflation is the primary concern. So they say that inflation is one of the primary concerns, or why they're aping into crypto, who see the phenomenon as a threat to the economy, this whole inflation. The second most significant risk, ironically, is this here. I can't really say it because I get in trouble. Remember, this video is not financial advice, and this is for education, entertainment purposes. Guys, smash the like, subscribe, get it done. And if you're watching in the live stream, please support the channel with a super chat. I would appreciate it, would appreciate it. And a survey revealed that 83% of millennial millionaires own cryptocurrency, with 48% expecting to buy even more in 2022. 2, and only 6% expected to reduce their holdings. So that's pretty bullish considering, where we are in December. So they're pretty bullish on that. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price on the weekly right now. So we got 2 days and 12 hours left on this weekly Bitcoin candle here. It looks like, absolutely 100% we're going to close this out in red. So that's kind of Debbie Downer. We're having a lot of red days. So unless something really amazing happens, and right now we're seeing that we're at 47,000. That's right on our 47,000 support. And then our next level is here, guys, at 42,000. So I really believe that if, Bitcoin does go to 42,000, stays there, it could be bad news, guys. We're seeing that the 21-day EMA, we're well below that. And it's like it's so far behind us. We can't even see that in the rear view mirror, guys. So wake up and don't forget to smash the likes and subscribe. We're seeing that right now, Bitcoin is on the 4 hours. Once again, it's at trading right now at $47,000 and some change, small change only. But luckily, we're still just in this channel, guys. But we do have an increasing risk of breaking down below the 47. And then we have our next big, huge support level at 42,000, guys. So I'm getting a little bit scared in the house, Let's take a look at the Dogecoin price, the Dogecoin. So it's coming, guys. It's coming. Here's the internet. So right now, Dogecoin has broken down below 17 cents. So that's a Debbie Downer. And we need Doge to get up there, get up. And it's really just kind of depressing out there. I don't know what to say about the Doge and Shiba Inu and a lot of other old coins. Everything's just slowly kind of leaking. It's like a leaky boat for crypto. And it's not the Titanic yet, because the Titanic just went down like really fast. But it's a leaky boat, that's for sure, guys. So I don't know what to say. We're just going to have to wait and see what's going on. And I'm just keeping an eye on the biddy, because if biddy starts to go down to 42,000, so then I gotta make some strategic decisions. It's going to confirm the bull run. But we're getting mixed messages, because a lot of the TA supply shock, illiquid supply and all that stuff, and all the data is telling us that the bull run is not over. The RSI is telling us that the bull run is not over. A lot of matrix are saying and telling us that Bitcoin is going to explode, it's going to go up. But we're not seeing it. It's just taking a long time to get there, guys. So I don't know what's going on, guys. We're just going to have to wait and see. Give it to the end of December. And if this continues, then I'm going to be doing a drawdown. Absolutely be doing a drawdown in some of my crypto that's in profit and moving it to stable coins and waiting for the dippity-dip, guys. Dippity-doo-dah. So that's what the OG is going to be doing. So right now, Ethereum right now is down below 4,000. That's a Debbie Downer. And it's at 3,824. That's not where we want it to be. Absolutely not where we want it to be. And my next major support level is right here, guys, at $3,500 an ounce. And we definitely want to see it not being there. But, we have this whole... this whole descending channel here, which is, it's just taking us deeper and deeper into enemy territory at 3,500. So we need to move on up, and I think Ethereum right now, because Bitcoin dominance is so high, that nothing's going to happen. Nothing's absolutely going to happen until we see a bit of a comeback kid for the biddy. So right now we're seeing that Solana as well is at 174. Luckily, we got some support here at 170. So we've come off that support a little bit, gone down and bounced up. So that's pretty good. So we're confirming that as a support line. I'm hoping that, with this, upward trend here, that we can start tracking above that. It looks like we might be able to do that. So let's keep an eye on that. But once again, it's going to all depend on the biddy. Charles, my biddy. And it looks like Matic is at $2, $2.03. So it's also being supported by this $2 support line there in the halls. Guys. So guys, don't be panicky in the house, and things are going to get better. We're seeing that the market cap has gone down. It's at 2.24 trillion. In the previous video, it's gone down a little bit, 2.23, and the volumes are lighter than I would expect. And the big Debbie Downer news here is that the dominance is going up. So that's only going to mean that there's going to be a slow leak for the altcoins, guys. So now we're seeing that biddy's down 3.84, 3.27%. That's better. So we're up. We're at $47,182 in the house, and Ethereum is at 3,832. It's down 5%. My BNB is down 1.63% at $531. Solana is down 5.25% in the house, and that's $175, guys. So, it's better than where it was before when it was at 146 last week. So, it's still okay. But, for me, Solana is a long-term play, long-term hold. So, I'm going to be keeping a hold on my Solana, not selling anymore. Cardano is down again. I mean, I'm waiting for Cardano to go below $1. Then I'm a buyer. I'm not a buyer at 124. I'm a buyer at a buckety buck. So we're gonna have to wait for that for the buck for it to go down below $1, guys. So I have to wait for that. And Avalanche is up, guys. That's amazing that Avalanche is up 1.4%, and that's $108. So that's amazing, guys. We're seeing the Polkadot right now is at 25, and that's down 7.24%. We're seeing Luna in the house is down 0.71%, and that's at 6385. We're seeing the Dogecoin down 5%. That's not good, guys. We're at 17 cents and 17 cents. We're seeing the Shiba Inu is below a support line right now. It's at 537. Matic is down. So we're seeing a lot of negativity, a lot of red in the markets right now. So let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. And let's see what's going on, guys. And, you can see that the total market cap right now is like down 4.4%. That's not looking good, guys. So let's take a look at the OG gaming portfolio, see how we're doing. I don't think we're doing too good today because it looks like, we've seen some redness. So the total portfolio, it's only up about $38,000 right now. That's up 15.92%. Remember, this portfolio is not financial advice. It's just for education and entertainment in house, guys. So, we're down about 24K in the last 24 hours. So that's not so good, guys. Down about 8.15% for the gaming and metaverse. So, our total value of our portfolio is $279,000 in the house. So it's better than, it's still making some money, but it's not going crazy like it should be, like I expect it to be. But I can live with that. Hopefully you can live with that. And guys and gals, I just want to say, go on over to my Twitter. We got 3,468 people following. Join the cool club. Join the fantastic group, the fantastic crowd, and get on there and definitely follow the OG on Twitter. So guys and gals, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something, and hopefully I've taken the panic out of you. And please, guys, do me a favor. It's Christmas. Show some love to the OG. Don't forget to smash those likes. Smash the likes like never before. And if you can smash the likes twice, please go on ahead and do it. I appreciate it. And don't forget to comment. And of course, I need everybody who's watching this for the first time. Go down there, subscribe, and show some love in the house. So guys and gals, don't forget to go down and check out my linky winkies. Become a Patreon member. The link is right there, guys. And buy the channel a coffee. I appreciate it. Show some support. Show some love in the house. And please go and check out the merch, guys. Get it. And you can find the link to the merch shop either in the top of the video when you're playing, if you're playing on a computer or iPhone. And if not, you can go down the description and find that. It's right down there. And guys, check out the merch. We got the cap to cap. We got the mug. We got the backpack. It comes in a whole bunch of colors, guys. And we got the mask. We got tons of stuff, guys. And we also got clothes. We got baby clothes. We got hoodies, hatties. And, we got the weak Nancy stuff, too, guys. Get that. Show your support, guys. Show the world that you're not a weak Nancy, that you're a tough hombre. You're a tough hombre in the house. And, guys and gals, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. And, it's a great time to be alive, guys. And don't forget to go and check the Wi-Fi channel. You want it. Get it. And show some love. And she's got some, Christmassy stuff going on right now. So it's pretty good. It's pretty fun stuff. Check out this Christmas stuff, guys. Why wouldn't you want to listen to some Christmas stuff? You got like 2 or 3 hours of beautiful Christmas stuff going on. So Merry Christmas out there. And this is the OG saying God bless y'all and be well. And as we move into the weekend, have a beautiful, relaxing weekend and be safe out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a crypto jungle out there. So I just want to say God bless you. I'll see you in the next one, guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning, bright and early, midnight time. So God bless you. I'll see you. It's a great honor to be here with you, be part of this community. And it's a blessing to be here and bring the good vibes to you over the interwebs. So I'll see you. Peace out. Woo!